If you have reduced the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, here's what you can do in order to try to improve the battery life on this smartwatch. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to quick settings over here, and the first thing that you can perform is turn off always on the display. This feature can drain the battery quite a bit, so it is recommended to turn it off if you want to keep your battery for as long as possible on a single charge. Besides that, there are of course some features such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, and so on and so forth, and they of course also have an impact on the battery life. While I understand that well, it is convenient to use them all the time or keep them enabled all the time, but if you are in a situation where you don't use it, so for example if you don't have access to Wi-Fi in a given moment, then of course it is recommended to turn it off. And the same thing with NFC and location. Especially location can also drain the battery quite a bit. We can press and hold our finger on location in order to immediately go to location settings, and you also have location services, so you can, for example, check if the location accuracy is enabled. This can also increase the battery draining. Now, besides that, brightness can also be quite an issue for batteries. So if you press and hold your finger on the screen brightness, you will jump into the display settings. And over here, what you want to do is most likely you want to enable adaptive brightness or automatic brightness. This can help you save some battery. If you use maximum brightness all the time, then of course it will drain the battery much faster. By the way, if you don't want to manually enable or disable certain features, what you can also do is you can use the power saving mode, which I believe can also be found over here somewhere, although I might be wrong. No, there it is. So over here, this battery with a leaf is the power saving mode, which can be quickly toggled. It is recommended to use it. Over here in the settings, we can also find out what it does. So we disable wake up gestures, always on display, and Wi-Fi. We also limit CPU performance, background network usage, location, and syncing. And we also decrease the brightness and screen timeout. And you can also limit health features when using the power saving mode. So this can also be quite a helpful tool that is recommended to use in case you need to get a little bit more battery out of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Of course, probably you don't want to use it all the time because you will have Wi-Fi off, but when you actually need to get more battery in a given situation, then of course it is recommended to turn it on. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.